genes play a much lesser role than previously thought in life expectancy. Factors such as diet and lifestyle plays a large role to a longer life. Here are 7 habits that link to a longer life. 1. Stay active physically. Within 15 minutes of workout per day, you can benefit from a further 3 years of life. People who received the recommendation for 150 minutes were 28% less likely to die early. Some research links vigorous activity to 5% less risk compared to low or moderate intensity activities. It's no surprise to be able to keep you healthy and add years to your life. 2. Stop overeating. Studies suggest that a decrease in normal calorie intake of 10 to 50% can increase maximum lifetime. Restrictions on calories can help reduce excess body weight and abdominal fat, both of which are associated with shorter lifespans. Long-term restrictions on calories are often unsustainable and can have negative side effects. It is not yet fully understood whether calorie limitation slows aging or extends your life. 3. Develop a good pattern of sleep. Sleep is crucial for regulating cell function and helping your body heal. Longevity is likely linked to regular sleeping patterns, such as going to bed and waking up around the same time each day. Too little sleep may promote inflammation and increase your risk of diabetes, heart disease, and obesity. Excessive sleep could be linked to depression, low physical activity, and undiagnosed health conditions, all of which may negatively affect your lifespan. Sleep duration also seems to be a factor, with both too little and too much being harmful. Sleep less than 5 to 7 hours per night is linked to a 12% greater risk of early death, while sleeping more than 8 to 9 hours a night could also decrease your lifespan by up to 38%. 4. Consume curcumin. Curcumin is thought to help maintain brain, heart, and lung function. It can also protect against cancers and age-related diseases. Turmeric has been consumed for thousands of years in India and is considered safe. It is linked to an increased lifespan in both insects and mice. However, no human studies are currently available to back up these findings. It's a great option for those looking for an anti-aging strategy. 5. Eat nuts. Nuts are rich in protein, fiber, antioxidants, and beneficial plant compounds. They're a great source of several vitamins and minerals, such as copper, magnesium, potassium, folate, and vitamins B6 and E. Studies show nuts have beneficial effects on heart disease, high blood pressure, inflammation, diabetes, metabolic syndrome, belly fat levels, and even some forms of cancer. One study found that people who consumed at least 3 servings of nuts per week had a 39% lower risk of premature death. 6. Try to quit smoking. Smoking is strongly linked to disease and early death. People who smoke may lose up to 10 years of life and be 3 times more likely to die prematurely. Quitting smoking in your 60s may add up to 3.7 years to your life. 7. Consume more plant foods. Many studies link a plant-rich diet to a lower risk of premature death. Plant foods' nutrients and antioxidants are attributed to polyphenols, carotenoids, folate, and vitamin C. Some research suggests that the risk of certain diseases increases with greater meat consumption. Vegetarians tend to be more health conscious than meat eaters, which could at least partly explain these findings. The health benefits of eating plenty of plant foods are likely to benefit health and longevity, as well as a reduced risk of cancer and heart disease. Exercising, getting enough sleep, and eat nuts can boost your health. These habits can put you on the path to a long life. Do you agree with our list? Join the discussion and let us know in the comments what you think. If you'd like help putting these cool ideas to work in your fitness journey, get in touch via the link below. We'd love to help you.